Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 6.1 from Squares and Square Roots 8th class NCERT. Question number 6. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. This is the pattern 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Up to here, they filled the equation, but coming to here, there are some numbers are missing. 4 square plus 5 square dash square is equal to 21 square. 5 square plus dash square plus 30 square equal to 31 square. 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. In these dashes, we have to fill up the appropriate exact answer to equal the LHS side and as well as RHS side also. So let's study these three cases, then we will get the some idea about this pattern. See, this is 1 square, 2 square and 2 square again. It like 1 square plus 2 square plus here 1 into 2 square. See, a square plus b square plus a into b whole square. This is the formula, a square plus b square plus a into b whole square. It is equal to the a square plus b square minus a into b whole square. If you apply this, see, 1 square here already we applied. So coming to here, 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 into 2 whole square. By simplifying this, we get answer. See here, 1 square plus 2 square minus 1 into 2 whole square. Now 1 plus 4 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square, 3 square. This is the answer, right? Similarly, this pattern also, if you check here, this is 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3 whole square. It gets as 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 as per this equation. Similarly, this also. If we get this to this, 4 square plus 5 square plus 4 into 5 whole square. Let it be A, this is the B and this is the C and this is the D. Okay, 4 into 5 whole square is equal to, the pattern is 4 square plus 5 square minus 4 into 5 whole square. Now, if you solve this, 4 square plus 5 square is already there. 4 into 5, 20 square. So here A is 4 square plus 5 square plus 20 square is equal to 21 square. This is the one. Next, coming to this, 5 square plus b square. It means we don't know, but it is 30. It means 5 into 6, it gets 30, right? So 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. It is simple. So B is equal to 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. And finally, we have this 6 square plus 7 square plus 6 into 7 whole square is equal to the 6 square plus 7 square minus 6 into 7 whole square. By solving this equation, we get both C and D values. So 6 square is equal to 36 plus 7 square is equal to 49 minus 6 sevens are 42 whole square. This is 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square. 36 plus 49, it is 85 minus 42 whole square. So it is 43 square. It is as the 6 square plus 7 square plus 6c square. It means 42 square is equal to 43 square. If you compare these three, here A 20, but answer is 21 square. Here 30, 31 square. Here 42 and this is the 43 square. This is the pattern according to this formula. This is about this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubt, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.